cansado de predicar la palabra, ¿verdad?
Ay, ay, ay.
It's actually clean right now.
Did you guys make a mess instead of clean it up? Got him. Did you get it? So we get to have lunch with one of their local pastors here, so that is super exciting.
Ball field is on the right hand side. These are
Can you believe we do that? Really good. This was amazing. They were super inviting and she even shared a testimony and it was absolutely incredible.
Yeah, I was going to say, you say you'll put them out.
Sites right now. We finished our day two, right?
Two.
Day two.
No, it's day three.
What?
Day two of our
Day two of mission. So here's our site people right here. There's the medical team waiting for the bus, and tonight we finally have that community dinner. So our site leaders invited her to her home, so we're super excited to see what she has prepared and to meet her family. in this pouring rain. This is our ride. Oh my god. Oh, yuck. Did you come on it? Is this a water park? It's just sleepy, rainy on this ride.
You felt like there was nothing to do.
Amy, how's your ride?
Oh, this was my queen. Let's go for a walk or something.
It's going downhill.
We're not gonna come right now. I am too. Me too. Okay, jeez. Too much, I start to get really angry. The chicken.
What chicken?
Chicken is here. Chicken.
Looking all buff.
Oh, I got it on video. So we just had the most amazing dinner. Her family is absolutely adorable, and she brought us up on top of the roof, and I got to share this view with you guys. It's amazing.
No. Stand by the.
This is what we climbed up on. Right here. And right there. It's quite interesting. So here they're dancing again. We are dancing on the rooftop, right?
Adios! We had the same meat we had yesterday.
Yeah.
And then we had like rice with beans. And like they have like
mints. They give away free mints. It's like a miracle.
Hey guys, we just wanted to close out the vlog real quick. Sorry that we look like a complete hot mess. It is so hot. I feel like everything is just running off my face. But we had the most amazing night. Well, at least for myself, I can speak.
I had an amazing
that
night.
it was
so
incredible.
fun.
So I went to my site leader's house for dinner. Her name is Mafia. She's an amazing Dominican Christian woman. She was incredible. So she cooked a traditional meal. We had fried plantains, which were amazing. Fried cheese. Never had fried cheese before. That was absolutely incredible. Then we had like, I forgot what the name of it is, but it's like something, it's like a root vegetable that tastes similar to potatoes. That was amazing. Then we had Dominican style salad, which is more cabbage and a vinaigrette with tomatoes and cucumbers. Then we had a rice bean mix, and of course chicken. And the chicken, I don't know how in the world they do it here, but every time it has been cooked here, it is absolutely amazing.
And perfect. It's never
And
dry.
fresh pineapple, it was absolutely incredible. So after that, we got to tour her house, and after dinner we were singing songs and